welcome to another episode of That Sounds Holy.
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 Welcome back, Ayo, again.
What's up?
For 2 weeks now.
I am back again.
But he's back again and again and again. So today, in today's episode, what we're going to be talking about is, how are you?
Wait, that was a record. Parang wala pang 37 seconds. Ay dumiretso na magsabi si Vanya, today we're gonna be talking about.
Kasi yung bago kong motto, gulatin mo sila.
Nilatin mo sila by doing what's right.
By
doing the bare minimum. Gulatin mo sila.
having a correct takeaway. Ganon.
Oh
my gosh, I'm so
yeah,
proud of
the
you.
Lord is moving.
Cheese, take
Amen.
away.
So, yeah.
O, tingnan mo, nadaril agad.
Oh my gosh, but we tried.
Yeah, we tried.
yeah.
It was-
Okay.
It's all about the journey,
All
not
about the climb.
not the destination.
It's all about the climb.
It's all
It's
about
all about the climb. Beautiful. Okay, so before before we talk about the question that was asked about us today, I think I just want to throw.
sorry.
Wow.
sorry.
Sa mic talaga.
Sorry.
I just want to do a quick curveball and do like a quick how are you? How are you
It's
guys?
been a while since you've done this.
Yeah.
Sa
How are
bagay,
you?
weird nga naman kung 4 na episodes yung nire-record natin. Lahat may hawak. Okay lang, nag-record kami kanina.
Kasi yung sa previous episodes, like I was back, but also we had several guests.
Yeah.
And medyo hindi na tayo nakapag kamustahan.
Tapat na
Kaya mo yan.
Yan
Grabe.
Coffee.
Nag-effort si Just na
Okay.
takpan yan eh.
is our love language. Sorry.
Okay. So,
Okay.
kamusta nga?
Speaking of love language,
Speaking of copy.
kamusta na nga kayo? Just a quick where you are now, what's happening. It's mid-year.
Oh yeah, you're right.
July
Mid-year
is
update.
mid-year.
Talaga ba?
Hindi. Mid-year. Kasi
Kasi
oo,
tapos na yung first
umpisa
half.
nung second half.
Oo.
Sige na, so mid.
Hello?
Hala, hindi siya ready.
True.
Sorry ha.
Oh!
Hindi tayo
For
ready.
context, nalaglag ni Jojo ilaw.
Hindi tayo ready sa question. I'm so sorry. But yeah.
Okay. Well,
Ayaw your ano.
what?
Yung chan mo kita.
Yung ano mo, yung crop top.
Sorry. Well,
Rough tough.
it's the start of the school year has started.
Mm.
So, school is schooling. And we've been very much involved with the school now.
Yeah.
I was promoted.
Really?
Libre.
Ano ka na ngayon, principal?
No, I'm chairman of the board.
Oh my God, you're
Mr.
chair
Chair.
now. Wow.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Table.
Mr. Armrest.
Bayan.
Wow, may promotion.
Yeah, thank you. So I've been very
Congratulations.
much
This is
involved.
such an old person thing, no? Like, wow, congratulations on your promotion.
Uy, talaga? Ay, ganun.
Na-promote ka, grabe.
So yeah, there. I'm also part of the business and operations. Yeah, it's very
Wow. Oh
Uh,
my gosh.
what keeps me busy recently. Aside from that, going to the gym. Kami mag-asawa, we love going to the gym.
Yeah, I can see that. You look very healthy.
And he got sick.
Tayo, jumajolay na tayo, guys.
He got sick.
Do you want that contoured?
If you want to lose 6 kilos in
Oh, I got
4
Ay,
sick.
days.
talaga?
Yeah.
In 4 days.
6 kilos in
6
4
kilos,
days.
4 days.
Intense talaga.
Ano bang ginagawa mo?
Then nagkaroon. Ginagawa mo?
Hindi ka nagpapahinga, no?
I think so. I think it's stress.
Ay, sus.
The
Nagkaroon
body
ng-
demanded
The body
first.
demanded. Kasi my parents, I love them to death, but they made this decision of 2 weeks before the start of the class. Nagbasyon sila, so saya, no?
So, sa kanya na
all
pala.
the
As
pressure,
the
all the-
firstborn.
all the preparations and stuffs, yun.
Stuffs.
But it was fun, pero hassle lang yung nagkasakit ako kasi it was a stomach infection.
Ay.
Yeah. So, literal na anything that I put in my body
Exits.
Yes.
exits either up there or down there.
So,
Oh
for,
my gosh, that's awful.
It's so bad.
For 1 week, ang pagkain niya ay
First 3 days,
electrolytes.
electrolyte drink.
Tsaka lugaw.
Lugaw.
Oh my God.
Be, naghanap talaga ako ng mga 67 ways to enhance your lugaw. Kakaiba-iba
Kasi
naman.
lahat talaga, as in morning, afternoon, evening. Yun lang yung pwede.
Alo, kawawa
And I
Tsaka
found,
mansanas. Yun
and
lang.
I found out na mag-iiba yung lasa ng lugaw kapag iba yung hiwa mo sa ginger.
Oh!
Totoo.
Ganun
Paano
siya
kung square?
Ha?
Kung square, ano yung lasa?
Square din.
Ito na. Ano yung clapper? Hindi. Sinampal niya si Isan.
Grabe naman yung
So,
sampal.
ano yung lasa? How does it change?
Mas tumatapang kasi yung, it's just like garlic. Na pag mas fine siya,
Ay, yung gine-grate mo? That's great.
greater. De, pero if you dice it in the long, yung pahaba.
Hindi na siya dice. Kasi mahaba.
Pag sinlice mo siya na pahaba.
Basta yun guys, nag-iiba kapag kayo luya nyo, iba-iba yung sukat.
Talaga?
Try mo. Just like
Amazing.
garlic.
Ano na siya? Lugaw master.
So,
Pili-
si Isa, gano'n ko nalaman na pangasawa ko sobrang bait. Kasi siguro soyang-soya siya na may mga an hour to 2 hours in a day. Kasi nasa kama lang ako for how long. Tapos nakikita lang niya ang pinanonood ko na lugaw. Paano masarapin yung lugaw. Sobrang bait niya na... Siya rin, naglulugaw.
Sobra yung pagmamahal niya
Oo.
sa'yo.
So,
Naglulugaw
ako
na lang
lugaw
din siya.
yung pagkain ko.
Aw.
So, salitan lang. Magluluto ako ng lugaw ng lunch. Mag-order kami ng lugaw for dinner. The next day siya naman yung magluluto ng lugaw.
Oh my God.
Lugaw.
Para iba-ibang lasa
Wala
pa rin.
talagang ibang food na pwede.
It is the only one that
Pwede
I could
naman siyang mag-try ng soft food, pero hindi talaga niya kaya.
ilalabas ko talaga.
Oh my God.
Even water. That was wild. Even water.
Uy, ang lala niya
Pukari
na.
lang, electrolyte drink lang talaga.
Oo.
Pwede.
But ito, big.
Yeah. So shout out to Ninong Deeds.
Ninong Didoy.
Thank you. He went there the first day.
Nabigla na lang
Buti
dumating
na
sa
lang
bahay na
may-
madumi yung bahay namin. Pasensya na po.
Buti na lang may doktor kayong malapit.
Oo.
Oo. So nakakatawa kasi after ko magkasakit, ito na
Ako
may
naman.
nagkasakit.
So yun yung update ko. Nagkasakit ako.
Ano na kami, ikutan.
Parang feeling ko ngayon
Oo.
required na ako magkasakit.
Di ba meron ka ngayon?
Oo nga. Ayun, so,
Ako, after
niya magkasakit.
siguro a few days after, sinipon ako. Tapos yung sipon na paralyzed ka.
Yeah,
Thank you
Joms.
sa sponsor namin. May nagbigay sa amin ng cash na gastusin daw namin however we please. Tapos nung tinatanong ko sila, dalawa kasi silang nagbigay, tinatanong ko sila, anong name po yung pasasalamatan namin? Ang sabi nila ay, well, no need na daw kasi service nila to. This is how they give back.
wow.
So
Aww.
thank you. You know who you are,
Thank
both of
service.
you.
God bless you.
Galing
It's
naman.
the way they give back.
Sana
daw.
pinanggas na lang natin. Joke lang. Sama na.
Sabi niya,
Mali
sabi niya,
takeaway, no?
sabi nila, para dahil nabe-bless sila sa podcast, ito daw yung pag-bless nila sa
Oh,
atin.
like mission
Thank you.
partners.
Yes,
Oh,
and
cute.
they
Thank you.
said,
Thank you po.
para daw makapili tayo ng gusto natin. So eto, si Vanya ang pumili niya.
And,
Milky cheese that I've been craving for 2 weeks.
Oo.
and we'll also be sharing that with everyone here on the set. So thank you.
Yes, thank
Yes.
you.
It's also our way of thanking you by sharing it and,
Oo.
and paying it forward.
Yes.
Thank you. Anyway,
Anyway, so yeah, after a few days of him being sick, nagkasakit ako na yung sipon na hindi ako makakilos.
Huh?
First time ko rin ganun na
Wild.
sipon. Yung as in nasusuka ako sa sobrang, basta sobrang nauseous ko.
that's
So,
crazy though.
Yeah.
Well, there was a bug around the area kasi even some of our teachers, some of our students.
Sila
Yeah.
din.
Yeah, tas
Ah.
days. Iba na
Mm-mm.
confine, ganun.
Yeah.
Yung sa akin lasted for, yung hindi ako makagalaw lasted for like 3
3
days.
days.
Ano hindi ka makagalaw? Masakit yung katawan mo? Ganun?
Hindi eh. As in, wow.
72
nako.
hours
As
siya
in, pag
ganun.
kumikilos ako, nahihilo ako, nasusuka ako, ganun.
Ah,
So I had to like minimize the movements
oh my gosh.
and all that. Tapos sabay pa na Shark Week.
Ay,
Sorry.
nako.
So,
Malala.
It was
Yeah.
really bad. But then, I'm slowly, I'm better now, pero ngongo pa rin ako. So hindi na ako
Yeah.
sinisipon, pero ngongo pa rin ako.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Yeah.
that is me.
How about you? How is
Ay,
you?
yan din yung update ko.
Kasakit ka?
Feeling ko yung panahon din kasi.
Yeah.
Oo, actually.
Sobrang
so
maalinsangan.
drastically changes.
Maalinsangan.
Yun naman talaga yung term eh, maalinsangan.
Totoo, pero hindi ko yan gets.
Sa patay mo, totoo.
Maalinsangan.
Kasi it sounds so accurate.
Maaliwalas.
Maalinsangan.
Maalingasaw.
Maalinsangan.
Yeah, kasi
Malansa.
'di ba, sobrang init niya.
Yeah.
Tapos uulan.
Tapos biglang uulan na naman.
Tapos yung ulan pa na malagkit.
Oo.
Yung mainit pa rin.
Tapos biglang sobrang hangin na ulit. Tas,
Yeah.
crazy.
It's wild.
Yeah.
Sa amin ngayon, nananadya yung ulan eh. Uulan na sobrang lakas kapag pasukan at uwi ng mga bata.
Ano
Pero
ba
pag
yan?
nasa classroom
I'm,
sila,
I'm
walang ulan.
not kidding. Pero pag nasa loob na sila ng campus, sobrang direct naman yung araw.
Oo.
Nananadya
Sige ba?
talaga. Oo. Para may nagpa-pocket card.
Oo,
Ay, may
oo.
pocket card. Na game sa iTouch.
Hindi.
No?
No.
Oh my gosh!
Hindi kasi ako ganun mag-play ng yung mga nag-torture ng mga...
Ba't alam mo? Oo. Ba't alam mo?
Kasi kwento mo sa akin yung ginagawa
Jet, alam mo yung Pocket God na laro sa iTouch? Pocket God?
You shall not have other gods besides me.
Even
sabi
pocket.
ni God.
Small G yun. Small G. Small G.
Parang nung hindi siya sakit eh.
Mm.
It's just that,
Sakit lang.
kasi para siyang
Ouch lang.
dry cough na,
Ah.
ito yung pinaka nainis ako, hindi ako makakanta. So, yung parang sobrang dry niya na hindi ako tapos pag
Hindi
kumakanta
ka
ko,
mabuga.
Yan
pangit.
yung ayoko sa ubo.
Mm.
Pero dahil sipon yung sa akin, ang dali sa akin kumanta nung Sunday.
Oo, kasi
nasal,
nasal
eh.
resonance
Oo.
na agad. Pero yun yung naiinis ako talaga pag hindi ako nakakanta. Malungkot agad ako. Ganun.
Right.
Yeah, parang for a
Hindi ka
long
makabuga.
time.
Hindi kanta ka din, pero may
Oo.
percussions.
So, ayun, our life update is that our age is
Aging. Age is aging.
is catching up to us, and we're being reminded that
We have to rest.
Slow down.
slow down.
Sakto rin, no? And the
Oo.
mid-year.
Mid-year,
Yeah.
where everything seems to speed up.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't know if you felt sorry.
Sisis.
Yung first few months was so long. Parang January, February.
Naka-crop top ka na naman.
Sorry. Parang yung January, February. Ang tagal, ang
Tagal,
haba.
oo.
Tapos biglang,
Totoo.
whoop, ang bilis ng March to
Actually, totoo.
June.
Mabilis siya. Yeah. Anyway, so, hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito itatawid. But ayun, wala lang. Gusto lang namin kayong gusto lang namin kayong
Yep,
idamay sa realization na nasa
Na
gitna
matanda
na
na kami.
tayo.
That's true.
Nasa gitna na tayo ng year, and you know,
Tanda na ng dalawa, guys.
if you feel the need to stop and like just or
Slow
pause a little
down.
bit to figure out how we're gonna go about the next
True.
few months.
Have
You
some days
should.
na mag-pickleball
Yeah.
muna kayo, gano'n.
Totoo.
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 Anyway, so let's go back to the question that was asked. Thank you for the slight catch up. We should do this
Yeah.
in a dinner setting next time.
Sa yung weekly mong hinihingi. Monthly mong hinihingi.
Oo nga pala. Sige, sige. Okay, so one of our donuts sent us a question.
Yeah.
How long was that, the intro? Okay.
Pag ikaw talaga yung nag-moderate, mahaba yung intro.
Like me as a person, matagal yung warm-up. Okay. So,
Ilang years tayo bago maging friends. diba?
digital discipling and ministering online. I think we talked about this a little bit when Nico was here
And when Chelsea was
Chelsea.
here.
and when Chelsea was here also. But yeah, how do you do it?
Ang ganda ng lead up mo.
I know it's such a question that can set you up.
Aya does it by posting on his stories while we're recording.
Discipling na agad yun.
Oo, mauna na ako.
Sorry.
Kasi I low-key enjoy this kind of yeah, I really enjoy it.
Mm.
Kasi so I have another Instagram and
Huh?
That I never know which one to tag.
sorry.
For which.
So
Totoo. Totoo yan.
actually ngayon, pinag-uusapan namin yan ni Lord. Balitaan ko na lang kayo kung
Sige,
i-delete ko
noted.
na yung isa. Pero for now, I really enjoy posting on my other Instagram kasi I treat it as like my personal stuff.
Mm.
And for the
no
other
filter. Ganun.
yeah, and the other part is for more on like the music stuff.
Right.
Para siyang PR account, ganyan.
Mm.
But yung ito kasi, yung smaller Instagram account, I really enjoy sharing Because I treat it as like my inner circle. Kasi alam ko most of nagfa-follow din doon are servants.
Right.
Or like people who are so like hardcore
Those
for the
who
faith.
know,
Yeah.
yeah.
Hindi mo na kailangan mag-explain.
Yes.
Kasi gets
Right.
nila.
Unapologetic ka na dun.
Yeah, so I really enjoy sharing things there na alam kong hindi uso pag-usapan. Pero alam kong kaya ko.
Right.
If ever man may response na hindi kaaya-aya, ganon.
Right.
Pag alam kong kaya ko, if ever, sinashare ko siya.
Yeah.
And I really enjoy it because I enjoy making people feel like they're not alone.
Nice.
Kasi every time I share, minsan nga parang mga kung anik-anik lang dyan. As in, sobrang random nun talaga minsan.
Yeah. and ano, it's not just not making them feel alone na merong nakakausap. It's also not making them not feel alone in certain ideologies na
Yes.
alam mo na,
Ah.
ako lang ba yung may pinaglalaban pagdating sa ito?
Yeah,
Or
yeah.
is it kailangan ba tahimik? But to show
Yeah.
that someone of your quote-unquote status,
Yeah.
to actually talk about something, whether
Yeah.
it be
Yeah.
whatever.
Parang yung mga nuanced topics.
Yeah, exactly.
Na hindi mo na kailangan ng masyadong maraming context.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Para maintindihan nila. Nag-enjoy talaga ako dun. Yeah.
that's true. Especially now na ang bilis natin mag-taboo ng topics.
Yes.
Online.
Yes.
Like may nangyari lang about this, I have to, parang walking on eggshells agad ako.
Yeah.
Pero in reality, we should be talking about most of
Yes.
these things. Bakit?
We should be
What
talking about most of these things.
Bakit? Di ba? I mean, we should be talking about these things
Yeah.
and at least showing at least our followers, showing them that we also not just care,
Yeah.
but we're actually dipping our toes into all these things. Like,
Yeah. And we're also thinking about this.
Yes.
Like how they're thinking about it.
yun, na, kasi
Oo.
ang danger minsan is if dahil nga natatabu topic na siya tapos takot tayo
Right.
or we're too sensitive naman na baka may ma-hurt, nawawala na tuloy sila ng who will I listen to? Or
And they
sino
go
yung
elsewhere for
nakaka-relate?
it.
Where will I go to hear about these things na
Yes.
at least kilala ko or may authority na sa akin personally, yung tao
Yeah.
nagsasalita.
Oh. Or from someone I know from my local church.
Yun,
Yes.
exactly.
I walk
Exactly.
closely with. Ganyan.
That's
Yeah.
true.
I was as careful as I could with that
Yeah.
last 37
We
seconds.
felt that.
Yeah.
How about you? What's your favorite way of discipling online? You do that a lot though.
Do I?
I feel like you have your hands full. But you're not you directly.
Your job.
It's your job.
Oh yeah, okay. I was trying to
Your
figure out
ministry.
what you were saying. But,
Yeah.
siguro yeah. I do social media for multiple people. Tas parang ano siya, because I have to speak with their language when I write. So parang it forces me to consume what they say. So that when I write, it sounds like them.
Oh, that's
Parang
so
ganun.
hard though.
Yeah,
yeah.
or it
That's
sounds like them, or it
very-
sounds
Sig-
like something that would come from them. Parang hindi siya totally nanggagaling sa akin. I just reword their ideologies. Parang ganon.
Wow.
Gifting.
So-
yeah.
And it goes for all the... Kasi may mga individuals ako hinahandle. Tapos meron ding like
Yeah.
church,
yeah.
ganyan, or groups or companies. So like for example, we handle the social media of Salcedo. So Feast Salcedo. So I also do a little bit for Feast PICC. So parang magkaibang branding siya totally.
Yeah.
But because parang I like being able to reach the audiences of each. Gets ba?
Yeah.
Na parang pag nag-post ako kunyari or nag-isip kami for Salcedo, alam kong ang na-reach ko doon ay probably my age,
Yeah.
working class,
Yeah.
alam mo yun, ganyan. But when I post for PICC, I'm thinking about families, I'm thinking about...
I was
yung
gonna
ganon.
say na parang it takes parang a lot of knowing the people you're speaking to.
Yeah.
To be actually be able to speak their language.
And that excites me. That gives me
Really?
joy. Na, kasi ano siya two-way siya Hindi ako pwedeng basta lang sige, okay na yan. Pwede to, pwede to, pwede
Yeah,
to.
yeah.
I really have to know who I'm talking to. So that also gives me the creative freedom to, like, how do I say this in a way that would relate to them? Or how do I express this thought that I know they would receive well?
Yeah.
So, like yan, sa Salcedo, I'll use humor for it. I'll use, alam mo, trends.
I see
ganyan,
that
yung mga
now.
ganun.
Yeah, yeah.
Yun, so I find joy in that. Like, knowing that people get to relate to content dahil catered sa kanila.
Yeah,
Parang ganun.
that's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I've been seeing also some of our friends, like they're more like going into like the reels, yung mga trends, parang pinapasok na din nila.
Yes.
And it's so nice that they're able to like share that because minsan pag matagal ka na sa community, parang you know, you kind of I think for me, parang naisip ko minsan na parang, of course, like people know about this already, but no, actually,
No,
Yeah.
there are a lot of people who
don't.
don't know
Yeah.
this kind of life exists.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah.
Or also as simple as making them feel that the church is not detached.
Yes.
what
Yes,
is now.
exactly.
That's something that I learned in this industry, like the social media industry. Na, kasi dati, parang pag naghahanap ako ng pegs for like what to post for, kunyari, Salcedo, ganyan, I would go to church reels or like church accounts na
Yeah.
anong ginagawa ng ibang churches sa ibang bansa, whatever, blah, blah. Tapos may nabasa ako one time na parang we shouldn't be looking at other churches for pegs when we try to market our church. Kasi tama nga naman, ang tinatry kong hatakin with social media ay yung wala pa dun. So
that's
now,
true.
like, I have to look at other, like, secular posts.
Yeah.
How do I make this relatable to the church?
Yeah.
Galing.
Parang ganun. So,
Kasi kumbaga, sa uncaptured market.
oo. Kasi ano
Yeah,
siya
yeah.
it's a ministry of its own I don't
Yeah.
treat it as a job
Yeah,
Yeah.
It's a ministry of its own. Yeah.
Yeah.
Were you gonna say something? Or did I read that wrong? I did read that wrong.
As
Anyway.
usual.
No. So I also follow this content creator. I didn't follow him before, but I met him at Seek. He's Christopher Cohen. Do you follow him?
No.
He's so cool. Like I think this is the kind of like the yung parang peg na gusto ko kasi parang he's not detached like what you
No.
said.
Right.
As in he's so cool. He has like a he posts, he expresses his faith in such a groovy, soulful way, 'di ba? So parang ano siya na you can be normal and have a
Yeah.
sense of style and have a sense of coolness and still love the Lord. Parang
Yeah.
it's not like if I love the Lord, I should just be so like super plain and detached from everything
Yeah.
in the world, ganyan. So, yeah, did you search?
Yeah.
Hindi ko nahanap Umaya na lang.
But also aside from, you know, the online space which we talked about a lot, what are your favorite ways to reach people or to disciple? Or siguro yung nasa yung nasa community na. What's your favorite way to like disciple?
Within the community?
Yeah.
Within.
Yeah.
Well, kasi hindi ako super online or at least preachy online, although I do have plans.
You do.
Yeah, and I'll be doing something really different, but just watch out.
We're excited.
Yeah, it's gonna be something. Tsaka ako na-announce, baka ma-jinx.
Hindi, sabihin mo na para kula ka ng choice.
Yeah, it's a mix of fitness and faith.
Faith.
It's like, what does the Bible talk about? Fitness, what is
Taking care of
or-
your body.
yeah, and more for men. I mean, well,
Oh,
I
that's
mean,
wonderful.
Yeah. It's
Or-
needed.
for men.
Yeah.
But yeah. Anyways, ako di kasi ako ma-online because I'm
Di
a
pa.
fan. Hindi pa. And yung sa platform din, talking about how can you express your faith from within, hindi rin ako super, well, of course, I preach. I help out with, of course, the worship movement, with feast worship and everything and whatnot. But I'm a bias ako sa outside. I feel like that has always been my calling. So
Yeah.
ako, I don't shy away from talking about my faith, talking about Jesus to even random people or people outside. Especially like recently at the gym. I really asked them to ask me questions about faith.
Talaga?
Yeah.
You open the conversation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And up to
that's
the
good.
point na sila na yung nagtatanong, like, and it's been fun kasi siguro part na rin doon na inisip ko na, yeah, I meron akong contribution within church, but they're within the community, but there are so many people already doing it and they're way better than I do, than how I can do that. Of course, you all have our own ways, but
yeah, yeah.
if we're in within
Gets naman.
community, kay Tito Eugenio Sanchez na tayo, di ba? Di ba parang ganon?
Actually,
Like, kay Tito Bo na tayo. Or I'll be echoing what Tito Bo would be
Yeah.
saying and his teachings and all our amazing builders. But outside, that's where the real thing kicks in. What you get from community, how you bring that out.
Yeah.
So I've always been a fan of bringing the church outside to those who don't even want to step inside church.
Yeah.
So really vocally and being
Yeah.
outright talking about faith and religion and
Yeah.
our values that are being taught to us. So yun, mas ganun akong klase. And using music, fitness.
Right.
As life happens, ganon.
Yeah.
As life happens, but also I have this conscious siguro ang lakas din kasi ng
Intentionality.
ang lakas talaga ng talk series sa akin nung
Nag-crack yung bones ko.
Yung health, natin.
No. Yung Call to
Generate.
Witness.
Ah!
Na sobrang lakas talaga ng series sa akin. You're
That's
right.
true though.
Yeah.
Oo.
That's
You
true.
have to be Jesus to everyone you meet. So,
And everyone.
everyone.
Yeah.
Say, security guards. Ganyan.
Yes.
Di ako, I like,
Yes.
I like,
That's
not necessarily, uy, brother, ano ba, and 1 John. Di naman ako ganon. Di naman laging ganon. Well, I can if I want
Yeah,
to, or
yeah,
if
yeah,
gusto
yeah.
nila, then go. Pero just to be
Yeah.
Jesus to everyone.
Mm-mm.
Ganon.
How about you?
I think within the ministry ba yung tanong mo?
Or kahit sa labas. no?
Other platforms.
Yeah, other platforms.
Sige. Kung sa labas, I really think, well, at least when I was active in the scene, I really used music for it.
Yeah.
Na lyrics. Lagi ko sinasabi sa banda namin, like pag tutugtog kami, parang gusto ko kasi yung parang wina-one up ko sila na hindi nyo alam na si Lord yung pinag-uusapan namin. Yung ganon.
Parang veiled
na-
discipleship.
Parang siya, like, okay, sing with me, but actually this is kind of worship. Parang gano'n. Subtle lang. But it opens the door to, like, if you kind of felt it and you want to ask me questions,
One
we can
foot
talk
in.
about it.
Yeah.
Parang gano'n. So, I've done it a few times na parang people would message me na, what's this about? Like, is
Yeah.
this about love? Ganyan. Tapos parang, oh no, actually it's about this. And then it starts a conversation na, actually hindi ako
Yeah.
nag-church, pero ganito,
Mm.
ganyan. That and not shying away from talking about it sa spills. So like, when I do, let's be real, when I do bar gigs,
Yeah.
dati, parang okay lang ba? Nasabihin ko na ang inspiration nito si Lord, ganon. Pero after a while, parang, no, let's sing worship songs in the bar. Ganon. So, yun, I used that.
Even in TV guestings, I would remember you would really
Yeah.
Yeah.
outright talk about it,
And
which is good.
there was a time kasi na people would really tell me not to.
Talaga?
Oo.
Oh my
Kasi,
God.
kasi siya, like what Ayo said, it's a taboo thing.
Yeah.
Na, let's not talk about faith.
And there are certain channels na have different faiths, diba, that
Yes.
invite.
Oo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, pag ibang faith naman, tas they tell me not to, I would respect
Yeah,
it. Na,
yeah.
okay, let's not do that kasi
Mm-mm.
maapakan ko rin yung sa kanila. But if it's more like hindi lang sila sanay, pero okay lang. Hindi gawin natin. Parang ganun. Like, I'm really gonna talk about it. Kasi ang hirap din yung iwasan if your whole life is revolving around faith. It's
Right.
not something you can kind of hide.
Oo.
Yeah.
So you
Kasi
really
main
have to
thing
talk
mo
about-
siya eh.
Oo eh. hindi nga siya like community eh. As in faith mismo.
Oh.
Oo.
Kasi hindi ko naman sasabihin outright na the feast or like
Yeah.
LOJ. I talk about my personal faith,
Yeah.
my religion,
Relationship.
my relationship, ganun. So I
Mhm.
really have to talk about it.
Alam na huli ko
Yeah.
sarili ko dyan. Before, when it wasn't natural to me yet, I found myself talking about the feast first before my faith. Ngayon, baliktad. I talk about my faith without saying where I practice it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because it's natural already na I'm so in love with my faith.
Mm.
And then when they ask, how do you practice? Ayaw nga pala, because ito, yung community namin is what we do.
Which I think also helps because it's not parang siya eh.
Hindi siya hard sell.
Nabuksan na sa
Oo.
kanila yung idea na gusto ko yung ginagawa
Yeah.
nitong taon to.
Mm-mm.
Tapos pag sinabi mo na, sige, sama ka sa akin sa feast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wala na yung yung prejudice nila na parang, the
Gusto mo
feast.
lang ako.
Yeah. I've had multiple organic encounters before now. I want what you have. How and where.
How,
That's
how,
when
yeah,
I
yeah.
say, because I have a community that does this, ganun, ganyan.
Yeah.
Unlike before, pag pinangunguna ako ng community, nagkakaroon agad ng, are you just trying to invite me there? Are you just, parang ganun eh.
Yeah.
Parang is the intention of this conversation to get me there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's as simple as, focusing on the why now instead of the what and
That's
the
true.
how. Unlike
Mm.
before, pinangungunahan ko na, alam mo ba, may ginagawa kaming ganito, ganito. Parang nag-flex ka lang or parang, you're just sharing something with, it's not how it has changed you.
Yeah.
You're just talking about the event. Parang ganon, yung dating. And when I caught myself, parang, that's so different. When you just show first what it has done to you personally without mentioning where, what, how.
Yeah, because the truth is everybody is like looking for something, searching for
Yes.
something like a
Yeah.
deeper,
Yeah.
anchor.
That's
or
true.
something.
That's
Yeah.
true.
Naisip ko lang na buti pala na-distract. Buti pala nag-start tayo dun sa kamustahan. Kasi I was thinking na actually the biggest like discipleship, like digital, whatever discipleship actually, the biggest thing is to actually live a life
Yeah.
outside of
Yeah.
whatever platform.
Yeah.
Parang, because your life is the actual platform.
Yes.
Yeah.
So whatever I post online, whenever I have a surge of inspiration, it's because I have already lived a lot of life
Yes.
outside of what I'm about to talk to you
Yeah.
about.
Right.
So parang doon din nanggagaling yung, oh my gosh, I have to tell them about this because alam mo yun. So it's just to live a life that you're
That you're proud of.
that you're like you can't wait to share to other
Yeah.
people about, oh guys, you know what, I went here and then or like God spoke to me like this,
Yeah.
or like I went here and then I saw this person and they encountered mga ganon. It's really that.
I saw something so powerfully sa IG recently na if you're afraid to show your everyday or what you're doing on the 9 to 5 or your Monday to Fridays, and then there's something wrong.
Yeah.
There's something wrong. Kaya ako, I remembered may attendee and meron ding leader before sa feast na nagtanong, why do you like sharing, tinanong ako, why do you like sharing hindi naman nonsense yung term, pero like, just normal
Yeah.
things with the thinking na pag builder in training or person of authority sa church, dapat laging ang pinapost
Faith
mo,
lang.
faith lang, preaching lang,
Yeah.
worship songs.
Yeah.
and I always tell them, well,
Boring.
this is my life outside my life outside the 3 hours that you see me.
Oh.
the feast.
Yes.
And
Yes.
this is my way also of connecting to people that we're normal too. And this is
Yeah.
the beautiful life that we get to live, and the fun outside it, and connecting also that we're also the same simple person that enjoys the
Yeah.
same things. That's life. That's the platform that we
Yeah.
have.
Yeah.
That's what we enjoy, and it's good.
Mm-mm.
Kasi naman, if you talk about like discipleship, it's like bringing them along, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if
Connecting.
you're not living a life outside of the what platform, where are you gonna bring them to?
Yes.
Like when they ask you, oh, how did you discover about it? Oh yeah, that's because I talked to this friend, this priest, this I read this book, or I went here to this retreat. Mga ganon.
Yes.
You can bring them somewhere instead of just wala, siguro just pray.
Tawang-tawa ako lagi sa mga the least favorite statements that I hear sa feast or sa community in general is when they tell a pastor or a builder or whoever na leader na, uy, tao ka din pala. Uy,
Yeah.
gusto mo din pala,
We get that a
pinanonood mo
lot.
din pala yan. Uy, yeah,
Yeah.
We-
We get
we-
that a lot.
we eat the same tinola. Alam mo yun, we
Machado.
drink the same, we eat the same nard brick, no? Or we play pickleball also.
We,
Alam mo yun?
we love lugaw.
We love lugaw with thinly sliced
We
gingers.
all have to eat lugaw when we're in a certain state.
Nagkaka-stomach infection din kami. Ganun, may sipon din, niluluga din kami ng sipon. Sorry, I mean,
Kadiri naman.
What
to.
does that look?
di mo alam.
Anyway.
Di, syempre kasi
So,
malalim na Tagalog yun eh.
maalinsangan.
Anyway,
But,
sige.
yun.
But yeah, it's ako, I like showing people that we're humans.
Yes.
I enjoy showing them the little things,
Yeah.
the ordinary
That's so
stuff.
true.
Pati yung mga kwento na parang pag nagkakamali tayo, pag alam mo yan, yung mga stuff that people usually shy away from na they don't really like telling other people na, oh, I caught myself thinking this or feeling this way.
Yes.
Yung mga ganyan. I
Yeah.
like telling
It
people
gives
about it.
them permission to live as
Yes.
human beings.
Kasi some people, alam ko na self-imposed standard siya eh, sa mga tao.
Yes.
Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin na nainggit ako sa ganito or hindi
Yeah.
ko pwedeng
Kasi
sabihin
bad
na
yun.
Yeah.
oo. So ako, uunahan ko na alam mo ako, na-feel ko to, ganyan, blah, blah. Parang, I know it's wrong, but I felt this.
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
that people kind of know na, okay, so it's normal to have those feelings. Like, it's just what you do about it.
True.
That's, you know,
Mhm.
that differs. But yeah, I like telling people about the random stuff.
Yeah. I was listening to a podcast recently by my favorite, my favorite,
My favorite?
my favorite
favorite?
Brene Brown,
Mm.
and Trevor
Travis
no,
So,
tama ba? Trevor Noah,
the comedian?
Yeah.
Comedian?
the one with the late night show before.
Yeah, the
Ah,
comedian.
yeah. So parang may pinag-uusapan sila na parang ito sorry. No, I will not say no, parang pet peeve ko to dati. When I told, so we were talking about like the little Instagram inner circle that I have, right?
Yeah.
Which it's not private, by the way. So I'm not hiding anyway. So so parang when I open up about something and there are certain people who need more context than usual. Yung parang instead of replying na parang, yeah, I get that. It's like, I struggle with that too. Parang, they have this certain, dun na-reveal na parang, they have this certain idea of me na, hindi, just think good thoughts. Or like,
Yeah.
God is
Yeah.
sovereign, ganyan. I get pissed. I'm like, I did not ask for your advice. Bye. Like, why are you telling me advice? I'm just, the whole point of this account is to create a space where it's okay to have,
Be real.
Just be
to
you.
be
Oh.
real and to have no like conclusion,
Yeah.
like an ultimate
Safe space
conclusion.
lang.
Yeah.
Oh, parang it's just okay to talk about things.
Yeah.
And so this podcast, it made sense to me kasi for the longest time, sinasabi ko, ba't ba ako naiirita dito? Parang why am I so pissed? Kasi, I mean, I don't want to be pissed because, so inisip ko, masyado ba ako pride? Oh, but of course, that's part of it. Pero, parang in this podcast with Brene and Trevor, they were talking about sometimes when you are in a certain level of platform, people need you to be that.
Right.
Because if you're not that, they get so shaken.
Yeah.
Kasi they associate you to a certain belief that they have.
Yeah.
In our case,
A certain standard.
this is
Yeah.
the spiritual Christian, what it is to be a Christian.
A good
Alam mo
steward,
yun?
yeah.
A good steward of,
Yeah.
you know, a good child of God, ganyan.
Poster
So
boy.
parang dun ako parang, alam mo, oo, they need to think of me like that. Because sometimes faith is such a fragile thing.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
And minsan, whether we like it or not, they attribute that to us.
Yes.
Naka-attach na yun sa atin eh. Kasi syempre, nandiyan ka, worship ka, ganyan. But,
Paano?
worship. Yeah, but so of course, that conversation with Brene and Trevor, syempre wala naman silang masyadong ini-endorse na God, ganyan. Kasi I
Yeah.
don't think Brene is a Catholic, but I don't think she's practicing. So, parang nagkaroon lang ako ng biglang, oh nga no, that's so important. That's why it's so important that it doesn't stop with me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Na after they get shaken or whatever with what I said, but also, kailangan pa rin talaga natin maging careful sa
Yes,
mga
yes.
sinasabi
Of course.
natin.
Oo.
But if we reach the end of ourselves and we show off our humanity, dapat may pupuntahan sila eh.
Yeah.
Yes.
Which is something that we should be pointing them towards all the time.
Yes.
So parang if I falter, they'll be like, oh, so what is that God thing again? Oh, where's that God thing again that she was talking about? Pupunta na lang sila doon.
Yeah.
Hopefully. Alam mo
Yeah.
yon. Anyway, so you were...
Wala naman.
I-
Siguro just to jump off with what you said, from what you said na, like the humanity, the human side of us. Parang, ako dati parang self-imposed din to. Pero parang kailangan, alam ko yung sinasabi ko, kailangan
Aware.
tama yung, parang tama yung pupuntahan ng thoughts ko, ganyan. Pero lately, siguro a few years back, parang mas in-embrace ko yung, di ko alam eh.
Yun!
Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
You're just being honest with like, I actually don't know. Like, let me get back to you. Or like,
Let's figure it out.
parang,
kasi di ko din alam.
I don't know the answer to this, but we'll find out. Parang ganun. So, it also kind of, well, number one, it breaks the notion na we've got it all together.
Yeah.
Na, okay, alam na nila yan, okay na sila. But also, it gives them permission to, it's fine that we don't know yet.
That's true.
But, you can do your part also in trying to learn the truth, trying to learn more about the faith. Tas ako din, parang accountability din, na ako din, sige, aralin ko din yan. Parang, we'll get there together, ganun. Tag team kami. Ako yung nag-roll yan eh.
Ano talaga?
Pakita mo nga yun.
Habang nagsasalita ako, ginagano ko siya kanina. Tapos, sige, nilalaro na
Ano
niya.
ba?
Alam mo yung balloon? Yung
Yung may hangin.
oh, favorite ko tuloy yun ng boto. Hanggang ngayon naman pag
Yun ako.
Anyway. So, ayun. This was a good conversation.
Yeah.
I realized that about 15 minutes ago, we were asked to wrap up.
Ay, sorry.
No.
Sorry,
No,
Sir
but
Jed.
it's fine. That was good.
Sorry,
That's the good
Jed the boss.
Yes.
exploration of thought.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, whatever it is that you're doing, whatever it is that you post, just make sure that it leads to something good.
Yeah. And it doesn't
Yeah.
lead to you.
Yon.
Because
mismo.
you
Only.
will fail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do so good that people will ask, hey, why are you doing this? How do you get to that level of happiness or bliss or kindness or whatever good thing? And then point it back to the reason, and hopefully it's
Yeah.
Yeah.
community, it's God, it's just use your
Yeah.
platform to do good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Live a life. Live a life and then draw everything from that life. That life that you're proud of, that life that you're happy to live. That will be the best thing that you can show
Yeah.
to
'Cause
people.
You can't disciple coming from a life that you're ashamed to show.
Or a life that's empty.
Yeah.
Mm.
If you're ashamed about something you're doing, then there's probably something wrong about it. So just live a life that
True.
you're proud to.
Yeah.
Would make people say that it's God.
True. You
Yeah.
yourself. That's the quickest self check that you can do.
Mm.
If you take a step back and see your life, whether it be through the things that you post or the things that you do, or the things that you say, will it lead you to Christ?
Yeah.
If not,
Yeah.
then maybe you got to do some more.
Yeah. Talk to
Um,
God about it.
Talk to God about it.
Yeah.
But if you do in even the slightest way, then good job.
Yeah. Ask him, where can I start? Or like, is this good?
Or how can I
Yeah.
do more? Or
Yeah. Okay.
job.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.
As usual, we will continue the conversation in our brand new broadcast.
Yeah.
Anyway, follow us on. Rate us 5 stars on Spotify and comment if you want on our
Yes.
YouTube videos. And yeah, we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.